Ghana politics, we see him as a guru. So if we are able to set an example with somebody like that, it would only send say no kura where papa penny or when the sicker one the Japan no crown say Mranani Nedi say ya. Then how much more about me or mommy 20 Ghana say me could to trust him. But unfortunately, political zone people, most of you didn't help me. Some of you did well, some of you sent your money. Since I started now, we have not even reached even $600. Since you started.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah. We have not.
Send you message send Kafa. We know if I send mommy.
Because people were saying Momo, but the Momo no, it will not help us because Momo was Ghana. Me patron say what you are saying. I miss me in Ghana. And I face no lawyers.
Western Union, miss my true Western Union.
Me patron Western Union. Ube to me aye. Intina me ka say wa open no. We are the Western Union. Say I me make us say yes, sister Bako. Or send it through you kind of saying MoneyGram, but I haven't been able to even go and collect it due to my work schedule and stuff. Into the American say you know say PayPal no be a problem one. Utumi send the real transfer, utumi send it any kakrebia because I have over 12,000 followers, madam. Sanka each person out of the 12,000 or say emu 2,000 cry cause okay, member $5. Krana, do 5 times 2,000. That's a lot of money we could have been able to get this team of lawyers. Now you try to take it platform. No, you're selecting like people on there. Say, Munko time. I mean, like lawyers, and let's go down there. And I'm ready to go down there and put my life on the line, so that we set an example. Last me to us and the political zone platform back and I may want to say ye che omwa. It say mamia. Go fake pregnancy near there. We should set examples with them near there. And I'm say it is good to set examples, so but and now, madam, a pro free annuity. So what you say? Because armed robbers, but they still go out and rob. But if you are able to stop that thing or to stop something that will prevent them from stealing, it is better than you trying to say so. Let's bring you to I mean, let's bring it to Yankasa Yankole Yanina, a woo woman. A collabi or open a baku miensa. Now I used to it. I feel you make a mamma cry or Bebo make a family. You understand? But when you are able to plug the thing from the top, Yatio for some powerful. I bet you some, you direct dinner court. You will more enough, you double salary for no, and then near the Omako. And no problem, my leverage man. You're bigger companies, a baby, and she said, Mr. Mahama, the Airbus, no. Ne Airbus na fe o metre mu ne Airbus no o metre mu because it was under his supervision and he had namele ametepe he had cocaine man no e de ko fa presidential villa e fa presidential jet e fa presidential de ko gu ya ni mu as wo UK. It was under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Enti me betra na me ka se me nuanu we mo fa €1 mbro €2 mbro enya me kwesi na mi kodi. I wanted us to set an example. Now Obia who say Ghana na mo se mreni on embra wo. Now me crown na I was willing to take it a step further. Says Ghana ye just say omo be yes no e penny to omo be kataso mo mu aso meti atidom na fire lawyers straight to Hague. Ombra ho. Na ombra me na no. But people didn't, and me too. I don't like idea say bien yeska mi kodi. Me person na me kopa we cho na me kopa we. So how would you this idea me dia ba na commendable. Me yanko 1-on-1. Fadienti a would say the country need to be fixed. Near the Kodia Ujina so I would casano. Fabra and I'm child the I fixing what is being fixed. Now you are who you obey Jimmy for at the end of the day. But my main trade I will come to you at appropriate time to expose your ignorance and your stupidity. What I'm saying again, and I say all the government here by here. Say if all of them fixed what they said they would have fixed that, I believe some Kenyan and they say when I'm wanting I will can't face the country I want to see because you have fixed the country. Now maybe I can't say you are now these days the amoye. You know who say IGP fix the country is working. We are forcing them to talk. More papa. Fix the country, about that. Yes, starting say, yeah, to think of all Ghana, Yay. na me catch am say mo ankasa no adwene no and develop ye moye social media fanatics. Hey, yes, I glad I could you. Hey, near you. Yes, you see them. Yeah, near you. Jimmy, that is all you guys know. But the ban of call substance are over 85% of you bloggers online, you are empty chaff and tete. Because I can kanya moting and antiasia so aya moting. You understand? You guys sit down, go onto platforms. Yes, we are paying no makofa. Yes, your pimphobia is no makofa. Yes, we are paying no makofa. Not the camera business and him and Jimmy. I don't do my shit like that. Emma, me, I don't do my shit like that. And everything I put out, if you think you have the alternative, I always tell you, now me there in the NDCO, MPPO, CPPO, face the three so freedom of my pampas so one phobia. I'm ready for any of you who avail themselves and that year, who could debate. I'm gonna tell you the real things than what I've already said. Now, let me give you another one. Fix the country for you. Me say freedom for the member more, but fix the country for no. Me person me. I just want them to understand something. Fix the country for you. Say, upe bibi. Efli papa wa oh. Enya ye na yediji o. Mudie. Na the woman ni a Jimmy phobia omodwen say. Omo ye ya e na ban ni adwuma na me bi say am say. Trinidad nas gina ho didi atem. Fire from the trees no na pampa so for when we di atem e check the one ni na ba be fa mu koye. Say Jimmy for ni na be come kwasi asem ni na wie no. Ele block ba kokra to. Face the country for mo try me one project ya mo demonstration am koye na to me materialize. Mo kan try. O mani a wunti no say no de am ya ne say. Obu say something yeah. Now me say and we force them to do this. And we force them to do this. What did you do? Face the country. Bring me the policy document you use to effect all these changes that happened in parliament or these things that are happening. And then I'm going to call it. Yeah, man, more opportunity, man, more platform, cross and more demonstration. And then I'm going to call kind of some man from Unquasia, some one. Anyway, you may go as in a kufa, West Shemu. Now, we are seeing now, we say, we are Jimmy for Marquas and Papa, we just say, I'm mobile, yes, some months, some about Dana. Someone died said Jimmy na. Kasia and then the police forecast say, "Oh yes, we are making fixing the country." Don't fucking take credit. Mrs. say no, men person will take credit. You guys who keep singing the bad things you sing about Ghana, don't change the tune. Most Ghana, Tete Musi Akufo-Addo assign more mind because you in your hospital, your Ghana, Tete Kra. So keep singing that stupid tune. Because the world would expose your ignorance. And Jimmy for a